Damn. Yeah. Yeah.
Gonna unbox this mixer drone X01. This very teeny indoor outdoor wireless quadcopter. It has 3 blades on one axle. As you can see, it's proof stability. 3 speeds settings for beginners to advanced quadcopter pilots. Your pilots, guys. And let's see what inside. It's very tiny. This is cable and screw. This is small teeny remote. This is additional 6 probes, and of course instruction, but who care about instruction after my video. And what's this? This is just cartoon paper. Join our flight club. This is nothing. It's awesome. This is awesome. Awesome. Small, teeny drone. It has 3 blades, 3 probes, as you can see, and I like the color of this drone. This is write a comment to me what do you think about this drone. But I think it's not stable and not so powerful. Maybe not a good drone. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. What do you think about this small drone?